Hey, hello everyone. So today I am right now in and on the Israel Negev desert, the Israel Negev desert, vast fields, really beautiful place. A lot of lush and green, and you see bushes and flowers and a lot of vegetations, lush green and great weather. Uh, see all there is no rain, it's not cold, it's really great weather, lukewarm, it's not too hot, not too cold, not too hot, great winds, cold and refreshing, cold breeze winds, not between fast and medium fast. The winds are between fast and medium fast right now, and I will definitely show you the Israel Negev desert in a second, in a minute, less than a minute. I will show you around so you can see the place where I am, the location, scenery, and there is a lot of herbs in here, and foliage, and of course my canine dog Lilaps is with me as well. Here she came with me. There is a lot of streams in here, hills and mounds, and streams. There is a lot of hills, mounds, and rivers in here. And you see all those wadis. You have this jiblahot, mounds, wadis, hills. There is debitage as well, relics, debitage. There is all kind of relics, ancient relics and debitage and fragments, ceramic and pottery, ceramic, debitage, fragments of debitage, relics and pots. And you have all types of ancient containers. And we have here rare stones as well, and rocks and stones, and really beautiful. I will show you. By the way, in ancient historical times, lapis lazuli, sapphire, you know, the sapphire sapphire is actually lapis lazuli. The original name of lapis lazuli is sapphire. So sapphire originally is lapis lazuli, but with Latin and evolution of language, words, and the evolution of language and words, it changed from sapphire to lapis lazuli. So if you wanted to know, it's great stuff to know, because sapphire is the original, correct and original name of lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli itself is modern because of all this modern Latin evolution language and stuff like that. So yeah, of course we have a long way back home. Me and her, we have a long way back home on foot. No car, no vehicle, on foot. I have no car or a vehicle with me, so on foot we have a lot of walking to do back home. And yeah, as I said, beautiful, refreshing, exercise, fitness, sport, you know, hiking, trekking, very beautiful. It's healthy, good, great and healthy to be in here.